Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Thursday, November 2nd. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 1st. Time is around 9 p.m. GMT. So we had our Fed meeting, nice rallies across the markets. And here we are looking at the 4-hour chart in the NASDAQ. And so, yeah, still two scenarios. The rally fits still in the two scenarios here that are on my chart. First of all, here the scenario in green assumes that we are working here on a wave Y. So we had a wave W down, wave X up, and so now we should have a wave Y down to finish this wave Y into this area right here. And this could unfold here as an A, B, C, where we had our wave A right here. We are now doing our wave B and then a wave C down. There is also another possibility where we count this as 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a wave A right here. And then we should actually go a bit higher into this area as a wave B. And then from here, we can turn down again as a wave C into this area right here. If we, so in the 4-hour, looks very bullish in an upward cycle. We are currently in an upward cycle. So let's have a look at the lower time frame. So here we reached our target area. Yesterday I gave you this area. For the moment, it still looks very strong here in the 1 hour, but I believe it's also quite normal. If we are moving in 3, we are not supposed to end with divergence. So here in the 1 hour and in the 4 hour, I'm actually not expecting divergence. So yesterday I gave you this as a WXY structure. So then this is an A, B, C. And so now that we have more data, I would label this here as follows. I believe this here was the A. This here is our B. And now we are working on the C wave right here of the wave Y. So yeah, like this. I would call it like this right now. Let's have a look in the 15 minutes. So yeah, like this. But then here, okay, we start to have divergence right here in the 15 minute. This could be like the wave 3, the 4, and this could actually be our 5th wave. So it could be that this structure here is actually ending. And if we respect these areas right here, then I believe, the scenario in green is playing out where this is wave A, this is a corrective wave B right here. And then what should follow is a wave C down. Now, there is also another possibility that we see a bit more upside as a wave B, but if we have this wave B here in red, then it's kind of I would expect a similar structure. Then we just have kind of a shallow wave B where we have here an extreme wave B, then here we have a shallow wave B, but I would expect this structure here to end soon. And then the alternative scenario, not yet on the charts, but a scenario that is based on what we see in the S&P 500, would be that here we have our wave 4 low. Like for the S&P 500, this has to be the low. If we go lower than this, we do not have a wave 4 anymore. And so what we can also expect from here is an impulse up. And so if we have an impulse up, I would say this is our wave 1. This is the wave 2. Now this could be the wave 3. And if we go down from here, but we are holding here somewhere in the area of a wave 4 and a wave 5 follows, then we would have like mature and valid impulse. And then I believe we could call here for the wave 4, which is in right here. But for the moment, we do not have this data yet. We do not have this evidence yet. We are bearish in the higher time frame. So for now, I believe it is safer to assume that this is just a corrective move up. However, when we start to pull back here and we respect some kind of wave 4 area situated right here, and a fifth wave follows, then I think we can start considering the wave 4 finished right here. And then we also have to look at the other indices, but then probably if the wave 4 is finished in the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, the corrective move across all indices should also be finished. So that's something we will then consider later. But now you know what I'm looking for here in the lower time frame. It always starts in the lower time frame. A potential low in the higher time frame should start in the lower time frame. So let's see if we get our fourth and fifth wave. But for now, I would still call this a corrective move up. Okay, that's my analysis for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.